I think they followed me for a little more than 1 year, and I got a phone call from Torgeir Børven, and he said he wanted to meet me because he was in Norway. So me and my agent went to meet him at a hotel, and he showed me some pictures and videos of how things were in Twente.
Torgeir Børven is a well-known name here in Enschede. Did you ever heard of him?
No, but I heard his father as well is well known in Holland.
He was former striker here at FC Twente, so maybe you're going to practice a lot with him.
Yeah, I hope so. He's seen me a lot of games, and he showed me some videos of me, what he thought was good and not so good. So I think it's a good coach. I'm looking forward to work with him.
What did you knew about FC Twente before coming here?
Not too much, just that Halvard Thoresen has played there, and Steve McLaren was the coach before.
What were you looking for in the next club to go to?
No, I wanted to get out of Norway because I don't like the style of playing in Norway. I think the style in Holland suits me more, so I think it's going to be exciting to try.
What do you expect from the Holland way of playing?
That I get more ball in my feet and not so much high balls, and I have the ball much more in the Norwegian way of playing. So I'm looking forward to play football and not kick.
Can you tell us a little bit about your own background?
Yeah.
Your career so far?
I moved when I was 15 to start on a football school in Skien, and I was there for 5 years. I played for Odd Grenland. I started at the first team I was 17, and I moved to Vålerenga when I was 20, and I was there for 1.5 years, and now I moved to Hengelo.
Now we know about you that you are a striker, but you have different kind of strikers. What is your style of play?
A typical number 9, I think. I like to be in the box.
What is your first impression of the group?
Very good. It's a lot of smiling and laughing, and all around is very much more professional in Norway. So I'm looking forward to develop in this environment.
What do you expect from your stay here?
I just have to work hard and try to make myself better. And when I get the chance, I have to do well.